Hello, I'm Zahn from Windermere North, and I wanted to talk to you about downsizing and a great option by a developer here in Spokane called Greenstone. And I'm going to turn the camera around now so you can see. I'm going to switch to these cute little white picket fence cottages that are all in a row. Greenstone did the Kendall Yards development downtown that most people know in the Spokane area. And they have several other developments around, and these little cottages are in all of their developments, and they are, I'll show you the side yards here. The yards aren't big, but they do the yard work for you. So they're sort of like condo homes, single family homes. You own the home, they do the yard work, they shovel the snow, and they are just adorable. So these are about 1,400 square feet. I'm going to put the wide angle lens on. Super cute, super nice. LVP floors. This one has a fireplace and quartz countertops. There's a pantry. There's a little den here or an office. A big closet. There are 2 bedrooms. Here's the guest bath, full bath with a shower. And then here's the guest bedroom. Pretty big size, decent size. And then over here is the master that fits a California king bed. And there is a walk-in closet. This is on a crawl space. There's the entrance to the crawl space. And here is the master bath. 2 sinks, again, quartz countertops. Bedrooms are carpeted, LVP flooring otherwise. Laundry room. And then you go into the garage, which actually is big enough to fit a pickup truck and has a storage area over there, a bump out, which is really good for storage. And now I'm going to stop talking and open the garage door. It'll be noisy. There's the attic. So this is alley access to these cottages. So you can come in here, very secure. This is your water heater and your furnace. Very secure. You can come inside from the alley, shut the door, bring your groceries in, whatever from the attached garage. So this is about 1,400 square feet, not quite that. Some of the floor plans are a little bigger. There's one down the street called Newport that has a basement, actually. It has a master up and 2 bedrooms and a bathroom downstairs. This has the 2 bedrooms and the 1 office. So if you're thinking of downsizing, sometimes it takes people a long time to be able to do that if they've lived in a home for many years. Start now and look on the Greenstone website. Call me. I can talk to you about the different communities. They are building a huge community just starting in North Spokane off Highway 2 that will be called Meadworks. And it has like 900 homes going in. There'll be a variety of townhomes, single family homes, and these cottages. So you can see it's a big porch on this one. That one's got a cute little porch over there. And they intersperse these cottages with regular single-family homes of different floor plans in all of their developments. So would be happy to talk to you further about Greenstone Homes or moving to Spokane if I can help you. Zahn, Windermere North. And isn't it beautiful fall color in Spokane?